Meet Mesrai, AI-powered code review that runs automatically on every pull request. The moment your team pushes code, Mesrai picks it up instantly. No setup, no clicks, no waiting. It parses the AST across every file, traces data flow, maps edge cases, and reasons over your logic end-to-end in seconds. Then it drops precise, actionable review comments directly on the pull request with ready-to-apply code suggestions. Mesrai plugs into any code review engine your team already uses. Zero migration required. Track every DORA signal in one dashboard. Ship cadence, time to merge, defect rate, and exactly how many hours Mesrai saves your team. Choose from hundreds of battle-tested rules in the marketplace, or write your own. Connect your entire stack in one click. Jira, Linear, Sentry, Notion, and more for richer context in every review. Ship faster, merge with confidence. Try Mesrai free at appmesrai.com.